Great. Happy to see you too. Oh, why don't you tell your friend beside you, I'm glad you're here tonight. Oh, come on, tell it like you mean it. Come on. I'm glad you're here tonight. Okay? All right, great, great, great. Now, this evening is like, it's quite a continuation of what we discussed last night. Who among you were here last night? Oh, almost everybody, and only few were able to get it. All right. Don't you worry. This will form part of our Royal University here in Singapore. Yes. Yes. All right. And last night we discussed about equipping your team for success, and you may ask some tips from those who attended it last night. And this evening, we will be talking about you as a leader. Yes, you are a leader. Whether you believe it or not, I want to tell you tonight, you are a leader.
All right.
All right. And so, leaders, I would like to ask if it's okay with you. Let's fill in the empty seats before you. Para yung mga late, nandun na sila. Okay? Nandun na sila sa likod. Ito dito sa harapan. Oh, meron pa po rito, tatlo. May dalawa pa po dyan. Right? Great. Oh. Wala na mag-move. Ha? Alright. I would like to inform you that on Wednesday, first ever, that will happen in Royal Singapore, we will have a very power RPP in Singaporean.
Yes.
Alright? Alright? So a true blue Singaporean will be the one, and he's a true blue Royalista. And I want you to invite your employers, your boss, because Kevin Chiang, who's here tonight, hi Kevin, will encourage your bosses, your Chinese Singaporean bosses, to join Royal. Bring the millionaires of Singapore on Wednesday night. Really, really, don't miss it. Alright? And this would be the beginning of your financial freedom here in Singapore. That would be on Wednesday night. Okay? This week, we will have a great surprise for all of you. So, abangan nyo lang po kung ano yun. Abangan nyo lang po kung ano yun at kung sino yun. Alright? This week, we have a great surprise for everybody. So, just, yes, surprise. Oh, I will not tell you that now, so that you will be very, very expectant and ano sabi? The product package. Oh, basta hindi ko alam kung ano yun at sino yun. Right? So you guess. Alright? And it will be very, very exciting week ahead of us. Okay, are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay, everybody, place your hand on your heart. And let's declare. Everybody, let's all declare the Royal Declaration. Say, I am Royal. Come on, say it like you mean it. Everybody, I am Royal. I am a victorious person with a renewed mind and heart of a champion. I am a relentless dreamer who thinks, talks, and acts positively. I am a world-class entrepreneur who creates huge earnings, enormous savings, and lifetime investments. I am a successful multi-millionaire, and my money works hard for me and makes me more and more money. I am very, very happy and healthy and very, very wealthy with every member of my family. I am eagerly learning and growing and generously sharing Royal to others. I am a strong believer in my life-changing teams and in their marvelous dreams. I am a leader of influence who commits to giving hope and changing lives worldwide. I am devoted to help thousands and thousands of people with passion and compassion. I am abundantly blessed by God to bless peoples and nations through all generations. And everybody shout, I am royal. Woo! Come on. Great, great, great. Tonight, we will be talking about the royal leadership. Yes, I'm talking about you now. You are a leader. Say, I am a leader.
I am a leader.
Say like you mean it, I am a leader.
I am a leader.
With pride, tell your friend beside you, I am a leader.
I am a leader.
And the friend behind you, tell them, I am a leader.
I am a leader.
Great, great, great. Now, listen. Last night, we discussed about equipping your team for success. Each one of us will really have their own teams in Royal. You will become the leader mentor. You will have teammates. Teammates on the right, teammates on the left. You will develop your own network. And you have to develop them for success. Now listen. Each team, all teams need leaders. Naniniwala ba kayo nun?
Yes.
To succeed. All teams need leaders to succeed.
Yes.
Your team will never succeed unless you lead them to success. So, hindi biro, it's not a joke that you are here in Royal. You may not see yourself now as a leader. I have good news for you. All leaders started as followers. All leaders started as followers. No one was born a leader. But each one of us has a leadership spirit or character inside of us. I want you to know that. I want you to believe that. Because unless you believe that you are a leader and you can be a very successful leader, your team will never become successful. You can never lead them properly. You can never lead them to greater heights. Here in Royal, you may be new. May I know those who among you here are less than 1 month? Less than 1 month. Oh, come on. Palakpakan po natin sila. You may be new in Royal, but I want you to know, you still don't know your potential. You are a leader. Every person who joins Royal and seriously builds his or her own network becomes a leader. If you have people under you, you are a leader. So, there are two types of leadership here in Royal. The natural leadership, which means leaders are born naturally. When they saw that they have downlines, when they saw that they have teammates on the right and on the left, they started to lead them. And there are those who are forced leaders. They're forced to lead because nobody else would lead. And these two types of leaders we need in Royal. Whether you are a natural leader or you are forced to lead, still you have a great role to play for your teams to succeed. You still don't know yourself and your teams yet. And this is one exciting thing that I want to share to all of you. Why your teams need you as leaders? Because a leader is a dealer of hope. Leaders are dealers of hope. Look at the spelling of the two. Leaders and dealers. Only the letters D and L interchanged. That's who you are towards your teammates. You are a leader who is a dealer of hope. Do you get that?
Yes.
So, each time when you start to establish your team and you have already downlines or teammates under you, it is your responsibility to give them hope that they can win in life through Royal. That their dreams can be achieved through Royal. They must see that in you. They must see that hope in you. Marami akong kilala mga leader na wala namang pag-asa yung nakikita mga tao sa kanila. You get me? And if you are the kind of leader and people do not see hope in you, your team will be divided. You will have a bunch of critics. You will have a bunch of people who will give you headache. And if that's the case, probably you have to check yourself, am I a leader who gives hope? Or am I just leading them forcibly? And it's up to them whether they will win or lose this game. Life is the easiest game on planet Earth. I've learned that from T. Harv Eker. Life is the easiest game on planet Earth. Who is the player? Who is the player in this life? Of your life? Who is the player? You are. Who is the timer? Who is the referee? Who is the judge? Who is the director? And how could you lose this game? No.
Yes.
How could you lose this game? If you are the player, the timer, the referee, the judge, the juror, the director, how could you lose this game? When you fall, who will pick you up? Yourself. You can reset the timer. Hello, guys?
Yeah.
And many people, they forgot that the time can be reset.
Yes.
You just reset. When you fall, then go back to zero.
Yep.
Let us all start all over again. And many people forgot that they hold the marker. They started to draw their life. This is my life. I want to fly. I want to go to, I want to become successful. You started to... And you see, you can even choose the markers you want. Are you there?
Yes.
If this will not become usable, don't give up. Just look for another one. And who knows? You see? I don't know. You see? And then you start to write the word success, and then along the way, there was that, that the spelling was so wrong, and then you give up. I cannot spell success. It's so easy. Just get an eraser and write all over again.
Yep. But
One day, you will face questions, distractions from your own teammates, criticisms from your own teammates. And sometimes, you will feel discouraged when you start to lead your own team. Maraming bobo, or slow learners, maraming nagmamarunong, and there will be those also who will try to outsmart you. That's why sometimes some of you are feeling right now, well, really, so I am not really a leader, and I don't possess the qualities of a leader. I am not like them. Look at them. They're now so big, they're so powerful, they're so lively, they're so animated. So sasabihin mo nga sa sarili mo, I cannot make it. I'm not a leader. I'll just follow. Really? Once you have your own teammates on the right and on the left, who will lead them? When you invite somebody to join Royal and they believe you, listen, 99% of people who join Royal, not because they trust Royal, not because the products are great, not because that the marketing plan is the best in the world, but 99% of people join Royal because of you.
That's right.
Do you know that?
Yes.
The products, the marketing plan, the image of Royal are just secondary. They trust Royal because they trust you. Now that they are under you and in or part of your team, who will lead them? It's you. It is you who will lead them, right? That's why, whether you like it or not, I am preparing you right now for your leadership. Because indeed, you are a leader. Can you believe that you are a leader?
Yes.
Can you believe that you are a leader?
Yes.
Can you feel that inside of you?
Yes.
Well, of course, there's something, so how can I start? Okay, saan ako magsisimula? Paano ko ililid yung aking... It's not about on how you will lead them. That is what I want to share to you tonight. Now, you may wonder why I'm, the pictures here are lions.
Come on.
Later, I hope you will understand. Because we have to learn leadership and success from lions. Are you ready?
Come on, Sir R.
We will have to learn leadership and success from lions. Alright. I have this very great question. The lion. This is the lion. Is the lion the tallest in the jungle?
No.
Answer it right.
No.
Is the lion the tallest?
No.
Is the lion the largest?
No.
Is the lion the fastest?
No.
Is the lion the bravest?
No.
Is the lion the smartest?
No.
Is the lion the fiercest?
No.
Yes, the lion is not taller than giraffe. The lion is not braver than a tiger. The lion is not smarter than a chimpanzee, or bigger than an elephant, or fiercer than a hyena. And yet, this small cat is the king. Hello?
Yes.
And don't you ever tell me I am not pretty, I am not handsome. And look at the world leaders today. Look at Queen Elizabeth. Do you know Queen Elizabeth?
Yep. Yes.
As in, close kayo? Malay nyo. Facebook friend. Is Queen Elizabeth the prettiest?
No.
Is she the tallest?
No.
She's not even tall. But yet she's queen. This animal before you will change something inside of you that you cannot believe. Tonight, the lion is staring at you, telling you that you are a leader. Even if you are not the largest, even if you are not the tallest, even if you are not the prettiest, you can be a leader. You are a leader. Hello?
Yes.
Even if you have only less education, you can be a strong, successful leader.
Yes.
Even if your team is not yet big, you are a strong, successful leader.
Yes.
Now, what's in this small cat that he becomes king? He's on top of the food chain.
Yep.
Everybody is afraid of him. Right?
Right.
And when I use the word afraid or fear, it's respect. Everybody respects the lion. Now, look at this. The elephant is 10 times bigger than a lion and could easily squash a lion to death.
Yep.
And yet, look at this. Lions may be small, but they think elephants are food. And even if how big elephants are to lions, elephants think that lions are eaters, so the difference is the way they think.
Yes.
Yep.
Here's one more. The giraffe is indeed taller, much taller than a lion, and could easily kick a lion to death. And yet, lions are not intimidated of the tallness of giraffes because lions look at them as food. Can you read between the lines?
Yes.
What leadership is all about?
Yeah.
And Napoleon Bonaparte once said that an army of lions led by a sheep will always be defeated by an army of sheep led by a lion. What's my point, Royalistas? Royal leaders.
Come on.
Come on.
Your team may be the weakest in the land, but if their leader is a lion like you will always defeat an army of lions led by a sheep.
Yep. Yes.
Hello? So do not ever believe that you are weak or weaker than anybody else, or you are new here in Royal, that you still don't know about Royal. What's the difference between the lion and the mighty animals in the jungle? Why is the lion king? The difference, ladies and gentlemen, is so simple. Leadership is not about ability. Say it again.
Leadership is not about ability.
Hindi porket marami kang alam. It's not that you have high education, you are knowledgeable of things. It's not that you are so experienced of life that you become a leader. Successful leadership is not about ability. True leadership is about mentality. Say it again.
Leadership is about mentality.
Say not ability,
Not ability,
but mentality.
but mentality.
Even if you are the weakest, yet if you think like a lion, you can be a strong, successful leader.
Yep.
And you can lead your teams to success. Are you there?
Yes.
Even if you're new, even if you're a woman, even if you're still single, even if you're a single parent, even if you're older than anybody else, it's how you think that will change the course of your team's success.
Yes.
It's not about, look at all the multimillionaires of Royal. Arnel Salazar. Is he the brightest?
No.
Has he, have high education?
No.
High school graduate only. What about his experience? Construction worker before. And yet now, he has a very big team of professionals under him. Doctors, lawyers, engineers, VPs of big companies. Some of you are under his team. The millionaires are under him. Pretty women under him. What's my point? You are already here in Royal. And if you want success, success is first created in the mind.
Yep.
Yes.
When you change your mind, you will change your life.
Yep. Yes.
And when you have that lion mentality in you, then your teammates will be affected by the kind of leadership you have.
That's right.
It's not that because you talk so smart or you talk so loud, but it's because that you have that lion mentality in you. The elephant may be big, but hey, I can eat you for lunch. And when trials come into your way, you're not intimidated. When lions saw the elephants, they're not afraid of the elephants. the elephants are afraid of him.
Yep. Come on.
The bigness of your dreams depends on the bigness of your thinking. You can never achieve what your mind can believe.
So yan.
Think it over and over again. And when we say, royal leaders, let's do this, the mentality is, I can do this.
That's right.
Yes.
Are you there?
Yes.
Is leadership thoughts beginning to develop in you right now?
Yep.
Yes.
Do you now realize how great a leader you are?
Yes.
Leader pa talaga. Leader pala ako. Hindi pala ito talaga pagandahan, ano? Ay, hindi. Talagang dapat gaganda ka rin. Oo, bawal ang pangit sa royal. Ugly people are not welcome in royal. Do you know that? And so we talk about prettier. You may not be prettier than the rest, but still you are pretty.
Yes.
But your mentality is that you are a lion.
That's right.
Yes or yes?
Yes.
Now, are you excited about this?
Yes.
Look at that. Lions are relentless predators.
Right.
When we say relentless means unstoppable. Lions are relentless predators. Even if the prey is bigger than them,
Uh-huh.
they're not afraid.
Yes.
They're not intimidated. Let me ask you right now. As you chase your dreams, how relentless are you?
Good question.
Come on.
Or you're already contented with what you have right now?
Dili.
Even if the buffalo is bigger
Uh-huh.
and stronger than the lion, because of his mentality, I can eat this, I am hungry, and then I will catch this.
Yes.
Correct.
And like the lions, royal leaders are relentless dreamers. Your dreams must be big, and you are not intimidated by the bigness of your dreams. And you are chasing your dreams relentlessly. Everybody say relentlessly.
Relentlessly.
Alam mo yung kapag kagutom ka, when you're hungry, you become relentless looking for food.
Totoo yan.
How hungry are you for your dreams? How hungry are you for your success in Royal? Because here in Royal, the hungry will always win. The hungry for success will always have success.
Yep.
So it's about how hungry you are. And the hungrier wins.
That's right.
Hello?
Yes.
So how serious are you in chasing your dreams? How serious are you in achieving the dreams of your teammates?
Come on.
We must be unstoppable. We must be relentless.
Yes.
That's right.
Narinig nyo na yung kwento, yung linya sa atin sa Pilipinas na parang nakawala sa hawla. You know? You're like a dog, you're like a horse that, you know, escaped from the cage.
Uh-huh.
You just keep on running. You just keep on running. And a true leader is relentless. You don't stop until you achieve your dreams
That's right.
and the dreams of your teammates.
Yes.
That's commitment. And leadership is about commitment, right?
That's right.
Right.
So, when your teammates will talk about their big dreams, you will always tell them, come on, let's do it. Let's chase it. Let's achieve it. You're not intimidated by the Ferraris. You're not intimidated by the Lamborghinis. You're not intimidated by all the Louis Vuitton from head to toe. Including the wheelchair.
Yeah.
You're not intimidated of the $60,000 Rolex.
Uh-huh.
Can you just imagine the $60,000 Rolex watch? Have you seen that there, down there? So I saw it, $60,000. You can be mine.
Yes.
Why not? You're not intimidated when somebody talks also big dreams.
Right.
You know what's funny with us Royalistas? Dreaming big becomes natural of us.
Yes.
Are you there?
Yes.
Before, when I was not yet with Royal, even talking about flying to Singapore is already a big challenge. For going to New York is already a big challenge. If it comes, it's okay. If it's not for me. But now, here in Royal, you can believe anything, you can write anything for yourself, for your family, for your teammates. Can you just imagine right now, 3 Royalistas, as I'm speaking right now, are on the verge of finalizing what kind of
Come on.
Come on. Come on. You can do it, sir.
what's that most expensive car? Bugatti. They are right now, 3 of them are right now on the verge of finalizing what brand of Bugatti they will purchase
Sting.
this year.
Bigatin.
Bigatin.
So when you have the Bugatti in the Philippines, you become so bigatin.
Yes.
I mean, the world's most expensive car. And when we hear fellow Royalistas talking about their big dreams, do you feel also the electricity in you? You become so excited also for them. You celebrate their dreams also. So that's how crazy we are.
That's right.
Welcome to the world of crazy people.
Yes.
Because if people are not laughing at your dreams aren't too big enough. Pag walang tumatawa sa'yo, ano yung Demi? Ano yung karap ko? Ano yung Lamborghini? Ha! Grabe naman. Pag may tumatawa, tatawa ka rin. Yes! Malaki ang pangarap ko. Are you there?
Yes.
When lions saw the buffalo, I haven't heard also a fellow lion saying to this lion, hey, that's too big for us. Let's just look for the hyenas. Or the chicken. Or the rabbit. I mean, buffalo is too big for us. Come on, guys. Let's settle down for rabbits. And how many people today just settle for rabbits? It's not that their goals are too high and they miss it. But the problem with many people is that their goals are too low and they hit it.
Yun.
Masaya na sila. Masaya na sila na nakukuha ng pangarap nila, pero napakababa ng pangarap nila. And we call that the comfort zone. True leaders don't stay in their comfort zones. Lions always look for big catch.
That's right.
The bigger, the better. Relentless. Everybody say relentless.
Relentless.
Say to yourself, I am a relentless dreamer.
I am a relentless dreamer.
Here's one good thing about lions. Lions are not bad animals. Yes, they kill, they hunt, they eat, and live. But lions play a very special role in ecological balance.
Totoo yan.
Because of the presence of, predators like lions, the animals in the jungle are scattered. And the scattering of animals was healthy for the environment. The dispersal of seeds, the natural agriculture ensues. Are you following?
Yes.
So lions play a greater role They are not just hunters, but because of their hunting and leadership skills, they were able to scatter all the animals. Because once, according to biologists, once the animals just stay in one area, then there will be diseases, epidemics. The viruses will be there. The waste will destroy the crops in that area if all of them will be in just one area. But because of the scattering of the animals through the presence of the predators, you will see that lions play a great role in ecology.
That's right.
Now, what is it to us as royal leaders? Royal leaders, like lions, are obedient to a higher calling. We are leaders who are not just doing business for personal gain. That's why our philosophy is helping people is our way of life. Can you just imagine, this is one kind of business that you become so selfless. And true leadership is not selfish. True leaders give their life for their followers, for their teammates. Napoleon Bonaparte was a great French general. Why is great? History reveals that when they fought their enemies, Napoleon Bonaparte do not just give orders, but he also fought with them as general. In fact, he's one of the greatest French military leaders. When they tried to colonize one island in south of Europe, the armies of that island were plenty. Then Napoleon Bonaparte asked his captain, how many are them? Based on your estimate, about 100,000, sir. How many are we? We are only 3,000, sir. Can we defeat them? Yes, sir, we can defeat them. Are you sure? Yes, sir, we can defeat them. Why do you believe that? Because of you, sir, we will defeat them.
Yes.
And because of that, Napoleon Bonaparte ordered his men to come down from the ships and instructed his officers to fight for the colonization of that island, and ordered that all their ships will be burned. Leader with a purpose. It may be political, but applying it to our business. As a leader, we are here to set example to our teammates on how it is to lead our royal business to success.
Right.
Nandirito tayo, hindi na para sa ating sarili. Nandirito tayo para din sa iba.
That's right.
Yes.
Yun ang kagandahan dito sa Royal. This is what I really love in Royal. Now, while we are increasing our wealth, we are also increasing our passion to help the poor.
That's right.
Ang galing maging royalista, no?
That's right. Come on, sir.
Yung bang kapag ka ikaw ay nakikipag-usap sa mga tao, nararamdaman mo ba yung sana maintindihan mo itong royal para mabago yung buhay mo?
Correct. Totoo yan.
Alam mo ba yun?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ha? Di ba? Oo, sana maintindihan mo. Kung hindi, sasakalin kita. Obedient to a higher calling. That's what we are. We're not just generating wealth here. We're not being ruled by money, but we look at money as a tool to help other people.
Yes. Yes.
Yung palaging sinasabi ni Chairman na habang yumayaman, lalong bumabait.
Yes.
While we become richer every day, we become also humbler every day. Why? Because we have a special role to play in this, our generation. Mga kababayan ko, ayusin natin tong royal natin dito sa Singapore.
Yes. Come on.
Kailangan mananaig ka rito. Masaya tayo na yung mga lokal dito. Allow me to talk in Tagalog, Kevin, for a short moment. So kayo naintindihan nyo kung bakit ako pinipilit ko na in-English ko yung aking mga lahat ng salita.
Ganun pala.
Oo, dahil dito po.
Doing great.
Salamat po. Masaya tayo kung meron dito lokal na yayaman lalo dahil sa royal.
Yes.
Pero pwede po ba kailangan ikaw, kayo, kailangan na yayaman kayo rito. Dahil babaguhin natin ang buhay ng mga Pilipino pagbalik nyo doon.
Yes!
You have a great role to play for the upliftment of the lives of many Filipinos.
That's right. Come on.
Can you just imagine that we now rank number 1 in corruption?
Kalungkot.
We now rank top 10 poorest in Asia. You know why the Philippines is poor? It's not that because our country has no resources, but because of the way they think.
That's right.
Yes.
That's right.
And this small group of successful Filipino royalistas in Singapore, through you, we will change the mindset of our fellow Filipinos.
Yes!
Kevin, don't you worry. He is already half Filipino.
That's right.
We have a great role to play. Let's change our country for the better.
That's right.
Yes.
Come on.
You know why you're here? Because you will form part of that calling that every year meron tayong pauuwiin na 100 OFWs sa ating bansa.
Yes!
Hindi lang to pera-pera. Hindi lang to power-power. Ito po ay dala natin pag-asa.
That's right.
Yes.
Pag-asa para sa ating mga kababayan. Think of this. It's not an accident that you become a royalist. It is a divine appointment.
Tama.
You will play a great role in changing the landscape of our economy.
That's right.
Isipin nyo to. Ngayon, we still have Taiwan to buy Singapore. Tatlong bansa. Sa Pilipinas nanggagaling ang lahat ng produkto. Sa Pilipinas nanggagaling ang plano. Sa Pilipinas nanggaling ang mga estratehiya. Ibig sabihin nito, darating ang panahon, sa pamamagitan ng royal, tatawagin ang bawat royalista na bagong bayani sa ating Pilipinas.
Yes!
aagawin natin yung titulo na bagong bayani mula sa mga OFW. Dahil puputulin ng Royal ang pagka-OFW ng mga Pilipino.
Totoo yan. Yes!
Bakit tinawag na mga bagong bayani ang OFW? Dahil yung kanilang sweldo nire-remit sa Pilipinas because of the dollar remittances. Can you just imagine, we are one big country with many natural marine resources, and yet we are so reliant on the dollar remittances of OFWs. Alam niyo ba, muntik ko nang may sinuntok akong gobernador before? Dahil ang sabi niya, hindi, itong pinakamaganda. Kasi maganda man talaga yung negosyo natin bilang sa OFW. Lahat ng mga anak natin, i-prepare natin sila ipapalarga. Yes, one governor from Mindanao. He almost tried to, file a case against me for libel. Muntik ko na siyang sinuntok. Sabi ko, napakabastos mong tao. Hindi ka ba nahiya, gobernador ka, nag-graduate ka pa sa isang malaking universidad, and yet, ang tingin mo sa mga Pilipino, yun lang ipapadala mo
That's right.
para magkaroon ng maraming pera sa Pilipinas. How stupid are you? And because the word stupid, it was taken by the media in Mindanao. Kukunin natin yung titulo ng mga bagong bayani. Bakit? The dollar remittances will no longer be from OFWs, but will be from Royal.
Yes!
And it is happening now.
That's right.
Read the writings on the walls, Royalistas, or else you will be left behind. Read the writings on the walls. We're not just doing trainings here pag may time.
Tama.
We are preparing ourselves for a very bright future.
Tama.
Because if we miss this opportunity, we will miss everything. We now become the star of our generation. We become the Salvador del Mundo. So-called savior of the... Let's save our children. Let's save our kids.
That's right. Come
The
on.
Filipino children. Let's be obedient to a higher calling. Are you there?
Yes.
Wow. Let's learn again another thing from lions.
Come on.
Lions yearn for another catch. Lions don't talk about their big catch yesterday. You know, Royalistas, the greatest enemy of success is your last success. The greatest enemy to your royal success is your last check.
Tama. Come on.
Are you there?
Yes.
Hindi porkit na-award ka na ng executive circle, ay hanggang dyan ka na lang. Hindi porket meron ka ng 150,000 na isang cheque, ay yan na ang ipag yayabang mo. Lions do not talk. You know? We lions, yesterday we killed an elephant, right? Yeah. So what are we in for today? Well, anyway, yesterday we caught an elephant. If we caught an elephant yesterday, we must catch another elephant today. Are you there?
Yeah.
Come on.
Lions yearn for another catch. And like lions, royal leaders yearn for more success.
Yes.
Yes.
We are not contented with our success. Because our destination is from success to success. From one dream to the other. From one success to the other. Kung meron nag-7 accounts sa'yo ngayon, dapat may mag-7 accounts pa rin bukas.
Yes.
Kung meron nag-31 accounts sa inyo ngayong week na to, dapat next week may mag-31 accounts din. And on Wednesday, bring your friends, Singaporean friends, because our speaker, a Singaporean, will challenge the rich employers and friends of your Singaporean
Yes.
to buy 255 packages.
Yes.
And he has already prepared a presentation for them.
Yes. Aware.
Are you there?
Come on.
Come
And
on.
that's how great thinking of success really is every day. Alam mo, every day, you yearn for more and more success. That's the true heart of a royal leader.
That's right.
You're not contented. You don't sit. You know, the greatest enemy of success is also comfortable. Many people, they become comfortable. Okay na to. Pwede na to. Hindi na ako magugutom nito. Eh, teka muna. Ano ba yung gusto mo? Yung hindi ka lang magutom o yung hindi sila magutom din?
Mm.
Come on.
Alam mo yun? Hindi po masama na mangarap ng malaki at mangarap na mangarap pagkatapos makuha ang isang pangarap.
Mm.
That's what life is all about. Before coming here, there was a priest in Bukidnon, south of the Philippines, in Mindanao. And that priest attended the RBP, which I was the speaker.
Come on.
After the RBP, the priest came near to me and confided some of his concerns. And sa pag-uusap namin, sabi ko, I told the priest, okay, Father, you've been a priest for about 20 years now. Being a priest, were you able to help Filipino informal settlers to have a home?
Mm.
Asya, no, I'm sorry, I haven't done it yet. Are you willing to join me in this? Babahayan natin yung mga Pilipino walang bahay sa pamagitan ng negosyo ko. Eto sabi niya, wow, eto pala yung negosyo mo? Oo. So nag-join siya. Etong pinakamalupit. Nung nag-join siya, sabi niya, isa lang muna. Eh nung nakita niya, sige, magdala ako ng 3. Tapos sabi niya, magpito na lang ako. Nung nagpito na siya, and his name is Father Dodo Caingles, I in fact invited him to come here in Singapore anytime and be our resource. He's a very brilliant, inspirational speaker. And he said, you know, Sir Art, when I decided to buy 7 packages and created 7 accounts, I invited all of my friends. Now they are also doing 7 accounts. I feel so good. Now I need somebody on my left to also buy 7 accounts so that it will pay. I said, just keep on. And you know what happened? Is this? His first check was about 10,000 plus. And this is what I want. This is what I really like of him. He told me, this 10,000 I want to see every week and double every month.
Wow.
What's that? That is yearning for more success. You can only yearn for more success if you are hungry enough for success. Alam mo yung gutom?
Mm.
Now, did you watch Pacquiao Marquez fight? The 4th fight?
Yes.
No? You saw that?
In fourth,
Who
yeah.
won? Marquez. Why? Because he's hungrier than Pacquiao.
Yes.
He's hungrier for the win. Right? And here, this is what I believe. During that fight, Pacquiao fought not to lose, but Marquez fought to win.
Mm.
And that's the difference. There are many people, they play the game defensively.
Mm.
Do you play basketball, guys?
Yes.
No, outdoor, not in the bed. You play basketball.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, the basketball. All right. Now, if you play in any game, whether it's basketball or soccer, football, whatsoever, in any game, if you play defensively, what's the potential, margin of winning? Very little, right? If you play defensively, just more on defense, will you win? You have who will win? Those who play defensive or offensive? Those who are always on the offensive has the potential to make it big compared to those who play it defensively. In this life, when you yearn for more success, don't play it safe.
Tama.
Okay na to?
Mm.
Okay na to? Okay na yan? No. Yearn for more success.
That's right.
One day, and it's coming so very near, you will see your first checks here in
Yun.
Singapore.
Yes!
And please be worried when you start to get your checks here in Royal. Always stare at it and say, there will be more next week.
Tama.
It should be a check from week to week. Are you there?
Yes.
Ganun dapat yung paningin natin. Hindi tayo kontento. Di ba? Ngayon, may $5,000. Next week, meron na yan $10,000.
Low fat.
Dapat, meron na yan $100,000. Pwede ba yun? Pwede. At eto yung panahon na yon na yung ating kababayan na DH na ang pananaw niya ay walang-wala siya, mababa, pero dahil sa Royal nagkaroon siya ng kumpiyansa, pag-asa, kukunin niya yung check ni Rito at sasabihin niya sa kanyang amo, alam mo, rebates ko po ito sa mga binili ko po.
Palang, ha? Palang.
Are you there?
Yes! Come on, sir.
Yung bang pagkakain sa labas, pagkukunin na yung check, yung cheat, biglang sisingit yung DH na royalista at sabihin, ma'am, sir, excuse me, okay lang po ba? I'll pay the bill.
It's on me.
Unya kay taga Cebu man, it's on me. It's on me. Hello?
Yes, come on, sir.
Yearn for more success. That's the mark of a true leader. You're not contented. You want your team to go greater heights.
That's right.
From one victory to another victory. That is who you are as a leader to your team. And you will always tell them, today we caught an elephant. What do you want tomorrow? Giraffe or buffalo?
Yun!
Are you there? Yes. And as a royal leader, when you saw people of high profile, you're not intimidated. Royal o hindi? Abiban, hindi. Wala mo, hindi. Pakyut na lang, hi. You're not intimidated by your prospects, even if they have high education or higher education than you have.
Tama.
Are you there? Even if they're riding Mercedes-Benz with a chauffeur, you're not intimidated. Even if they're living in a landed estate here, you're not intimidated. You will talk to them because you want them to become part of this dynamic, life-changing team that will change the world. Royal. You're royal. So that's what we can learn from lions. Here's another thing. Lions are achievers.
Come on.
Lions look at every animal that comes their way as their reward. Lahat ng dadaan sa kanilang, what you call this, territory, no? They are my reward. Lahat ng makikita, everything that they see will be their reward. Royalistas, lahat na makikita nyo will be your reward.
Yun!
Come on! And the success rate of lions are higher because of
Teamwork!
teamwork. How many lions would, hunt a prey, especially a bigger prey. How many? A group of lions. Right? Not just one, but 2, 3, 4, 5. And the greater the number, the higher the success rate. Why? Because they want achievement. We must catch this or else we will go hungry. So, everybody will contribute. And like royal leaders, you know, the lionesses are in fact the ones chasing the prey. The women lions, the female lions are the ones chasing the prey. The men are just there in the caves. What does that mean? Because women are braver than men. Kung ako babae, papalakpak ako. Because men are cowards. Eh, di ba sa bahay, sila naman talaga yung leon. Now, talking about that, they're so achievement-oriented that they work as a team. And whether the lionesses or the female lions are on the attack, it doesn't matter. It's all about teamwork.
That's right.
And what's in it about us? Like lions, royal leaders are achievement-oriented.
Yes. Come on.
Yeah? Wow. Can you see that? Nakikita niyo po yung itong... When they were kids, the cub, sinasabihan niya ng kanyang tatay, you may be little, but you are a lion. Right? And that's how also you treat your teammates in Royal. You may be new, but I want you to know, you are an achiever because you are a lion.
Yes.
Are you there?
Yes.
So take care of the young. Take care of the new Royalistas. Take care of your teammates because you have an interest on them. And your interest is that they must become an achiever like you.
That's right.
Are you there?
That's right.
Now here's one thing. Lions teach their cubs to hunt successfully. And like lions, royal leaders are lovers of learning.
That's right.
Always encourage your teammates to master the business. Attend trainings, read books, listen to MP3s, the teachings. There are teachings of Joel Austin, Brian Tracy, Les Brown, ang dami. There's one Filipino marketer, Reformina, Edward Reformina. You listen, you read. Lots, many available resources. And lalo na pag trainings. Encourage them, attend the trainings. Attend the trainings. Why? Because that's the way to learn the business. Because in Royal, you have to learn before you earn.
Tama.
You have to learn before you earn.
Tama.
Many people, they want the earnings right away, but they don't like the learning. You have to learn. Lahat, all the multimillionaires of Royal, they all are lovers of training. They attend trainings. All of them. they sit down just like you.
Uh,
And one day, you may be sitting down there, but the time will come, you will be standing here.
Yes. Yes.
And not only here, but in the international arena, you will be talking to hundreds of thousands of people. Do you know Royal is an opportunity not only here in Singapore or the Philippines, but through Royal, it can open more doors of opportunity for you.
Tama.
If you dream of becoming an international speaker, Royal is the best training ground. Your team is the best training ground.
That's right.
Yes.
Right? So, this cub may look so cute, but there's a lion inside of him.
Tama.
Yes.
Alam mo yan? Oh. Anak. Nakita mo yung elepante? Opo, Nay. Oh, kita mo siya kung paano magtakbo? Opo, Nay. Paano mo siya hinto? Opo, Nay. Bakit mo tinuturo sa kanya, Nay? Kasi kakainin mo yan mamaya. Are you there?
Yes.
And just like you as a lion leader of Royal, you tell your teammates, nakita mo yan siya? O sige, halika. Titignan mo. Panoorin mo ako paano ako magwanununan yan. Bakit pala mentor? Bakit pala leader? Bakit pala servant? O bakit pala kaibigan? It's because the day will come, yan ang gagawain mo sa lahat ng mga taong mga kasalamuhan mo. Are you there?
Yes.
So you teach them. You teach them properly. Lions did not just become excellent, hunters for nothing. When they were cubs, their parents taught them how to hunt the prey.
Mm.
So, Nanay, what is that with long neck? That's giraffe. Oh, Nanay, I'm afraid. Shh, no. That's food. Are you there?
Tama. Yes.
That's food. So when your prospects will tell you, oh, sir, meron akong sa iyo, natatakot kasi ako kasi manager kasi siya. Shh, that's food. Alright? Where is he? Come on. Let's share the business to him.
Give him.
Are you there?
Tama.
So, kasi baka problema, kayong dalawa ng cab, takot din. Ay, oo nga, manager pala siya, wag na lang yan. Ihanap tayo ng construction worker. Mas madali yun, kausapin. Yung DH, yun lang DH, ang kaya natin, yung DH lang. Are you there?
Tama.
So they teach their cubs. You see that? And the hyenas, look at the hyenas. Oh, don't be like them. Alright? So you also teach your teammates, because there are some hyenas also in Royal.
Mm.
Are you there? They're vultures, they're scavengers in Royal. And be careful. It's a hyena. Hello?
Yes. Come on.
Yeah? And so you protect your team, because you have no other intention except for them to win. Right?
Right.
So when they say, what about this group that, these people that always attend trainings? You go with them. They're lions.
Yes.
Alright? So tell the friend beside you, I'm a lion.
I'm a lion.
Alright.
Liar.
Right.
I'm a liar.
Is this helping you guys?
Yes.
Great. Now, here's one more. Lions are excellent hunters.
Lions are excellent hunters.
Very, and there's, you know why there's excellence in them? Because what do you know how their group is being named? The group of lions is called what?
Right.
Yeah. The group of lions is called pride.
Mm.
And look at them. They really walk with pride.
So yan.
Right? They're so excellent because their mindset is excellent. And they walk with pride. Right? Then, kumasa ka, nag-royal kasi ako ngayon. Ano po, yung bida-binta sa buntapon. Ha? Hey! You are royal, walk royal, talk royal, smell
right.
royal. Right? Ano pala yung mga sinasalihan mo? What's that? royal? Ha? Or, what is the, yung royal? Yung sabon-sabon, gluta-gluta? Ha? Walk with pride and
That's
excellence because lions don't live and share with hyenas and vultures. They don't talk trash. They don't talk garbage. You know? Hindi siya, kung kumusta ko na yung amo namin, pisti. Alam mo yun? You talk with pride and excellence. They don't live and share with vultures and hyenas. There will be negative people.
Right.
Even in Royal.
Tama.
There will be vultures and hyenas. Don't live and share with them. When you hear them talking negative, just look at them and smile. Ay, pagod na ako mag-royal. Right? And then, leave. Okay? When your teammates also will start to talk like vultures and hyenas, you know, then you are there to remind them of their pride and excellence. This pride I'm talking about is not being proud, but the pride, the glory. You are humble and yet proud. You know what I mean? You're proud of who you are, not of what you have, but of who you are. Now, like lions, royal leaders are excellent entrepreneurs.
Tama.
We talk business. We talk business with excellence. We invite people properly,
That's right.
professionally. We don't kidnap people and tell them, kape-kape tayo pag may time. Tapos dinala mo rito. Natapos na yung mga video, walang kape na naibigay. Nagsalita na yung speaker, sabi niya, saan yung kape? Yung pala RBP, ang sinabi mo kape. Alright? Magkaiba ang kape sa RBP. Alright? You get me?
Yeah.
You share royal professionally. You act royal. You walk royal. You sit royal. Yeah? Nagdidikwattro, royal. Alam mo yun? Ang amoy mo, royal.
Royal, yes.
Ha? Mag-deodorant kayo, ha? Oo. Marami nangangailangan dito niyan. Alright. So, listen. Nakikita nyo sa kanina, we're in the bank, no? Doon sa bangko, doon kami, sinamahan ko yung mga staff, just to feel. Even yung mga simpleng clerks sa bank, the coat and tie, clerk.
Yep.
Why? The mentality is excellence.
That's right.
Alam mo yun? You write royal. Your ballpen is royal, you know? Huwag yung pag bilog-bilog ka dyan, tapos, ay, sadali. Sadali. Alam mo, yayaman ka rin. Ay, let's itong ballpen na ito, sadali. Alright? So, please, pakicheck ng ballpen ninyo. Alright?
Pag-tipin pala yun.
In the Philippines, I always tell them, yung colleagues and teammates there, I always tell them, medyo mahal yung Parker.
Yes.
Right? But I have a Parker. So I told them, merong parang Parker. Right? Parang Parker. Meron. Oo. Tig 20 lang. Siguraduhin mo lang sa pagbili mo, i-check mo maigi kung talaga maganda ba yung kanyang sulat. So meron, yung magaganda, hindi naman kailangan mahal. You don't have to be lavish, you know. At least, you become so presentable because you are an excellent entrepreneur.
That's right.
Yes?
Yes.
Oo. And lions don't become they are not successful all the time in hunting prey. Do you know that? But still, they are lions. Right? Allow me to share to you a story, really an event that happened just recently today. No, somebody just shared this to me na may kinitwahan siya. Medyo hindi maganda yung pag-uusap nila, but at the end of the day, alam mo, na-learn, buti lang, nagtitraining to siya, na royalista, no? No, talagang, so, hindi maganda, medyo nasaktan yung kanyang kaistorya, pero alam mo, nagpakumbaba, nag-sorry, and then, nag-share ng business, at pag-attend ng RBP soon.
Wow.
What's the point? Not at all times you will become successful. Not at all times that you are excellent in everything. But when you have that mentality of excellence, bang, you will become. If you ever fail, you just have to rise up.
Tama.
Are you there?
Yes.
And do it all over again, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now, let's all review what is, or these are the royal leaders. Ano yun? Relentless dreamers. Obedient to a higher calling. Yearn for more success.
Success.
Achievement-oriented. Lovers of learning. And excellent entrepreneurs.
Yes!
Royal. Great. 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 I have here a video that I want to show you
Come on.
that will really, at least, are you taking pictures of me or I'm so sorry. I was so assuming.
Excuse, sir.
Alright. Kaya pala nagsabi, excuse me. Yes? No, excuse me. Alright. Now, okay, if you're through, I have here a video about true leadership. It's not what you are, but or who you think you are.
Correct.
Let's try and
Come on.
watch this.
सर आपके लिए उस पार कार का इंतजाम किया है
चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले, चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले, चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले, तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले। लगा हाथ के सूरज सुबह निकाला करे, हथेलियों में भरे धूप और उछाल करे। ओ लगा हाथ के सूरज सुबह निकाला करे, हथेलियों में भरे धूप और उछाल करे। ऊपर पे पाँव रखो और चलो करके चलो, ऊपर पे पाँव रखो और चलो पकड़ के चलो, पलक पकड़ के उठो और हवा पकड़ के चलो, पलक पकड़ के उठो और हवा पकड़ के चलो। तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले, तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले, हिंदुस्तान चले।
You may think you're small, insignificant, but you have that spirit of leadership in you. Lead your teams. Lead them to greater heights. Lead them to success. Royal leaders, you are the best. God bless you.
Yes!
Great.